Hi, my name is Renat. I would like to present you a product made to promote the use of green energy. The product aims to solve the problem of the credibility of the fact that the energy released by the power plant is indeed renewable. To accomplish this, we combine blockchain and trust hardware. For example, an electricity meter. It captures data from meters, a guaranteeing plant, and enters the data in the blockchain. We solve this problem as follows. You can see the diagram. For example, we have a customer who wants to consume renewable energy and a power plant that produces such energy. First of all, a power plant applies for participation in the system. Then a regulatory body conducts an audit of the power plant and confirms that it's indeed capable of producing renewable energy. Then the power plant begins to produce energy. At this stage, the trust hardware starts recording the data on energy production. After the completion of the work, the trust equipment publishes the results of data captured from the counters to the decentralized storage. It is APFS, as you can see. And this stores the hash of the files to the smart contract. Only after recording the data in the blockchain, the power station received tokens of the generated electricity, electric energy. Then the station has the right to sell these tokens and set the price for them, and the consumers can buy these tokens. And now I will show you the demo. First of all, we go to the personal account page of the power plant, and as you can see, we can create the station. We click to that button, then we go to the MetaMask, submit an application of participation in the system, submit a transaction in the blockchain, and wait. Cool. Now we see that the state of the power plant has changed. It is now awaiting audit and confirmation from the government body. So now we go to the personal account of the government body. So we went to the page of the managing body and see that the address of the newly created power plant, which has applied for participation in the system, we confirm it and give it rights to receive tokens. Now we need to conduct transaction in the blockchain, submit the transaction, and wait. After submitting the transaction, the power plant already has trusted electricity meter installed and starts producing energy. And now we go back to the personal account of the station. And see that we now have 0 green certificates in our account. This shows the total number of available green certificates on the market and our part in it. We press the button to extract data from the meter as the counter sends data to the blockchain and tokens are emitted. We click to the button, conduct transaction in the blockchain, and wait. Cool. Now, as you can see, the amount of tokens has been updated and the diagram shows what part of the market we occupy. In current implementation, the tokens stand only for the green certificates. The power plants sell the energy separately. Then we can sell tokens on the exchange. We click on the button to complete the transaction. Click the button. Now conduct the transaction. Now we publish our tokens in the general pool. As you can see, we have our tokens written off. Next, we go to the client personal account. As you can see, on the top of the page is an offer of green certificates. We click on the purchase button, confirm transaction, and now they are displayed in our purchase history. We have made this whole process from the issue of the tokens to their final sale transparent and appropriately controlled. In continuation of the implementation, it is possible to integrate a stablecoin for purchasing of the green certificates in order to make the process controllable and taxable for the government.